Okay, so what we're working with is a 2007 Jeep Wrangler. Our problems are our turn signal doesn't work and kind of intermittently comes on and off, and other times it doesn't work, and also the horn doesn't work. So quick, well, not necessarily quick, but pretty typically these Jeeps, you'll get connectors. Here's your air box right here. You'll get connectors here that get corroded, and basically you lose your ground. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to fix that. First thing we need to do is we need to take the air box off. So go ahead and unscrew this flathead screwdriver. Good. Remove. Take the top of your air box off. Super dirty filter. Might as well do that while you have it. And then you've got just a couple of plastic posts that connect this down in. So we're just basically gonna pop this stuff off. Piece of cake. All right. So then what we're left with is our connector there. It's a 10 millimeter. We'll go ahead and take that off. Okay, we got the bolt off. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pull this off, and then I went ahead and undid the part that's holding the wires there. And if we bring it in, you can see the wires have corroded so much that they've detached. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually finish taking this connector off. We're gonna clean these wires up, and we're gonna get them some new connectors, put them back up onto the post here after we brush it off, and hopefully our connections are restored, and we have horns and turn signals and anything else that might be affected by, it looks like at least minimal of 3 ground wires that are not functioning properly, but probably more. Okay, I went ahead and got it cut off. Next we're going to take our wire strippers and we're going to strip these wires down so that we've got some nice clean contacts. Okay, so I got the wires cleaned up. I don't have any really large connectors like the one that came with it from the factory. I have these smaller ones that will only take a couple wires. So what we're going to do is we're going to use those, and a couple of them, in order to splice them back together. Some of these smaller wires I can fit 2 of them in one, and then we're going to put it all back together and see if things work. All right, so we got the connectors all on here, and putting the last one on, screwing it in, and we'll see if we have a horn. Okay, so here we are. We just got done doing the install of the wires. We got a horn, and the right turn signal works, which wasn't working before. So we got it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you for future fixes.